How to clear your recent files history on Audacity. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear your recent files on Audacity easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Audacity, now go to the top here on file and go down. You will find recent files, and this is my recent file and I want to clear it. Or what you have to do is just click here on clear and everything is gonna be done. As you can see, it's actually very easy, and if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.